Hey guys, welcome to Thumper Fab. We're here checking out the Ranger XD 1500, mainly checking out the rear winch bumper today. So this one, as you can see, has our TF Elite rear winch bumper. It's got the 6-inch slim LED lights that are built into the bumper, hidden away, tucked away behind the protective light covers, which are customizable. So like we've got it color accented for the turbo silver to match the turbo silver on the Polaris. So pretty cool that you can tie those in and really get them to match your ride. But what I wanted to show is just how it looks with the rear camera. So that's the rear camera there in the stock location. You can leave it there in that stock location, and we're gonna go take a look in the cab and see what it looks like. You can also take and move this bracket. There's some other options to kind of take and kind of tweak that bracket back a little bit to get a little bit more of a straight back view. But let's go take a look and just see what it looks like on the ride command display here in the North Star. Just check it out. So once we get in and pop it into reverse, our camera comes on. All right, so we can see that, of course, the bumper and the winch are going to be there in view. But the reason why I really wanted to show this is because you can't see it, but if you were to use a trailer hitch, you'd still be able to see that trailer hitch right about here in the camera view, so that when you're backing up and trying to hook onto a trailer, you'd be able to see your ball or pintle or anything that you're trying to hook up to there, just underneath the bumper. So if you leave it in the stock location, it actually still works pretty good for that. You can still see, you can still see a pretty good ways behind. Like I can see all the building that's behind us, and that's all pretty good. I'll turn around and show you on the outside of the vehicle. That's pretty good ways behind us. So you can still see a pretty good amount behind us. It'd be even better if they didn't have this safety warning up here, be attentive to your surroundings. But yeah, you can still see over the top of the bumper pretty well, and you can see the rear tires. So for tight trail maneuvers or really wanting to see where your tire placement is, even with the bumper and the winch obviously in the middle of the screen there, you still get some really good points to see from your tires, your hitch, to really straight back behind you. So even in the stock location, it's not a bad view. So let's take a look. So standing back here, all right, there's the building that was behind us that you can see in the camera, the rocks. So yeah, stock view. I know, I'm not opposed to it, really. And like I said, we've got some other options where we've taken and tweaked the bracket back a little bit to get more of a straight back view. And that was a little bit more for those that didn't want to have as much of the bumper in the view. But like I said, I think being able to see the tires really helps in some of those tight trail maneuvers where I really want my tire placement, maybe on top of a rock or trying to navigate something. So overall, just taking a look at what the rear view looks like with the bumper there. And yeah, let me know what you think, and be sure to post up some pictures or share when you get your bumper mounted up, and let us know what it looks like. All right guys, so be sure to check us out, thumperfab.com, and we'll see you out on the trail.